Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to open Monzo Business Bank account in UK. Tap on the first link and you'll see the option to open a business bank account. Simply tap on it. This will take you directly to the application page where you'll start by entering your mobile number. There's also a second link to apply for a Monzo business account. Tap Apply Now and it will open the Monzo app. Scroll down to view the full procedure. Download the Monzo app. Provide proof of business address, your registered company name or number, and your unique tax reference number. After entering all required details, submit your application. Once your business account is approved, you can start using it right away and enjoy all the benefits Monzo offers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.